In this video, I'll show you how to create custom export presets for your videos in Filmora 11. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. If you work with the same repetitive process, it's always good when you have the same export presets. This will save you time when you're looking for what settings do you need to change when you want to export. Now, I'm inside Filmora 11 and my assumption is I'm done with this particular project. So let's assume it's done, it's good to go, it's ready for exporting. So let's click on the export tab right here. And once we click on that, you'll see the different options available here. But all we need to do is just click on settings. And from this option, you'll be able to set what type of quality you want, what type of video, the encoding, whatever it is that you need, the audio, etc. So let's say that we want to set the quality as the best. And once we set that, you'll see different parameters change right here. What encoder do you want to use? MPEG-4 or H.264? Let's just leave it as it is. I'll not change anything here for the GoPro. I won't change that, but you can always hover over this section and see what all these different parameters mean. The resolution, I want to go with 1920 by 1080, but there are different resolutions here depending on what you want. You can also click on custom and input your own custom resolution or dimensions. The frame rate, let's just go with 29.97 frames per second, but you have all the way from 15 frames per second to 60 frames per second. Depends on the video that you're working on. And then you have a bitrate of about 10,000 bps. It's going to give you a big picture or a bigger video size. But 4,000 might be probably a sweet spot for high definition video, but let's just leave it at 10,000. As for the export color space, I'm not really sure what we have right here, but you can tick around with this and see what works best for you. I'll just leave it as it is. As for the audio, we go with AAC. As for the channel, let's go with stereo, or if you want to do 5.1 surround sound, that's something that you can work with. I'll leave everything as it is. Once you're satisfied with your selections and your input, just click on this save button to save your export preset. Just click on that and we might call it 1920 by 1080 preset, and just click on save. Once you click on save, you'll notice that this section for the preset, you can click on the drop down. We now have the default, we have a preset, and now we have a custom. If you want to use your preset, you can just click on it, and you can also delete that particular preset if you don't want to use it. Just click on it and it gives you the different options here and parameters. So you'll be able to see your export size without doing anything right inside here. And you can always check all these different options. And if you have a graphics card etc, always ensure that you enable GPU accelerated video encoding. It is going to save you some time and more or less not wear down your CPU. So that is how you can create your own custom export presets in Filmora 11. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.